hovering solutions. And basically, what we do is to provide ad hoc solutions based on flying robots to our customers. We have legal entities both in the UK and in Spain. Initially, I set up the company in the UK, only the UK, but after Brexit, we decided to split the risk, and we set up a secondary company in Spain as well. So the core of our company is the development of our proprietary technology. When I say proprietary technology, I'm referring to mainly the software and the hardware parts of the robots, the flying robots, that we use to provide this kind of ad hoc system to our customer. Our flying robots is a kind of special drone focused on technical jobs, technical works, like measure corrosions, distances, etc., in some sectors such as civil construction, industry, and mining sector, of course. It is not something that you can take to your vacation in Canary Island or Alicante or something to shoot a video on the beach. It's a totally different concept. The three sectors we are working right now is the civil construction, industrial, and mining, and a little bit of history about that. The concept of using drones in underground locations started in London in 2015, and it was very simple. They were looking for a solution to get 3D maps of underground tunnels by using drones. Why drones? Because drones are able to gather a huge amount of data in a very short period of time. It was a very novel concept. It didn't exist on the market. So during the years 2016, we developed the concept, we developed the technology, and we put into practice in one of the biggest construction projects in the world, which was the Crossrail project in London. And as far as I know, we were the first company in the world in using drones to get this kind of high reality, high definition 3D models of the existing infrastructure. At the end of 2016, we decided to also extrapolate the benefits to the industrial environment. As you can see in this video, this is one of our flying robots creating a 3D model of a combustion chamber, the inner part of a combustion chamber. The objective of this inspection was to produce these 3D models. Yes, it was around 5 centimeters between tubes, so you can figure out the degree of accuracy we are able to reach. The main objective was to measure deformations in the surface of the tubes, and of course to measure the corrosion in this part of the metals. And the last year, we had in mind that it could be also positive to extrapolate the concept to the underground mining. And thanks to the support to the EIT raw material, we developed a special solution for underground mining. I called it a small and smart solution because we developed a very small flying robots. It's only 43 centimeters between rotors. The total weight is less than 2 kilos, and it is able to fly during approximately 20 minutes autonomously through linear infrastructure, such as tunnels, collectors, and narrow galleries in mines. The main benefits of the system is that it provides, it reduces the risks, the costs, and of course, it produces a very rich information, mainly for productivity, health and safety, and planning activities during the mining process. Here there is a short video where you can see our solution for mining industry. The drone is very small and it is able to navigate autonomously, even in presence of support of this kind of objects in the mine. The results are very high quality through the point clouds that can be exported to be analyzed in third-party systems. We also add texture. The texture means that we can analyze the surface of the infrastructure in order to detect corrosion, cracks, water leakages, etc., which is very useful for infrastructure auscultation and, of course, for underground survey. As I mentioned before, the results can be exported the profiles can be analyzed, etc., etc. So thank you very much. That's all from my part. If you have any questions, please go ahead. It's a problem, but we tested the system in a real mine. The dust was there, and it was not affecting to the data gathering. So the models we produce are high quality as well, even with the presence of dust. Yeah, the same. The humidity is something we have in mind, but we are testing the system right now in different locations, including even falling water, and the external factors are affecting less than we expected before. Okay. Thanks.